As I look around, I see the crumbling ruins of a proud civilization strewn like a vast heap of futility. And yet, I shall not commit the sin of losing faith in man. This was said by Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1941 in one of his popular essays, Crisis in Civilization. And when I was reading this book today, especially this chapter, I thought it makes so much sense in today's time. Maybe this is the requirement of today's time for the human race, just so that we don't end up ruining all that we have created with so much love, compassion, care, and sacrifice. So we must continue to have faith on us, on the human race, on the human civilization we are a part of. Just when I was thinking around hope and pondering over it, that how it keeps us all going and alive, Emily Dickinson's popular poem on hope came to my mind, and I have the book with me. So I'm going to read out a few lines of the poem from the book itself. She says, "Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Certainly, hope never ceases to exist, and I think that's why it's one of the strongest emotions and ideas that is keeping us alive. It is the Novobarsho day today, and it is the New Year time, not just for the Bengali community, but for many other communities in India. So I thought, why not sing a song, of course, written and composed by Tagore, but a song which is loaded with hope and aspiration for a better future. And in this song, he talks about Anandogan, the song of happiness. And I think he's also trying to say that we can sing together the song of happiness only when there is harmony, when there is deeper harmony between what exists beyond us and what exists around us. So harmony among all the forms of life, harmony among all the forms of existence. So this is the song in Bangla, and the song is Jogoto Jure Udar Shure Anando Gan Baje. জগত জুড়ে উদার সুরে আনন্দ গান বাজে, সে গান কবে গভীর রবে বাজিবে হিয়া মাঝে। জগত জুড়ে উদার সুরে আনন্দ গান বাজে, বাতাস জল আকাশ আলো সবারে কবে বাসিব ভালো, হৃদয় সভা জুড়িয়া তারা বসিবে নানা সাজে। জগত জুড়ে উদার সুরে আনন্দ গান বাজে। নয়ন দুটি মেলিলে কবে পরাণ হবে খুশি, যে পথ দিয়া চলিয়া যাব সবারে যাব তুষি, রয়েছ তুমি এ কথা কবে, জীবন মাঝে সহজ হবে, আপনি কবে তোমারি নাম ধ্বনিবে সব কাজে। জগত জুড়ে উদার সুরে আনন্দ গান বাজে, সে গান কবে গভীর রবে, বাজিবে হিয়া মাঝে। জগত জুড়ে উদার সুরে আনন্দ গান বাজে। শুভ নববর্ষ once again. Thank you so much.